Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change keyboard language in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to General Management. And click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And here click on Languages and Types. And click on Manage Input Languages and select other language. Just turn on the button against other language. Here I would like to turn on the button against Tamil. Yes, I turn on here, and also I turn on some other language. So here this language and Malayalam, then Korean, but minimum if I turn on another language, maximum number of supported language 4 reached. So you can only add 4 languages to your keyboard. So here I have enabled English, then Malayalam, then this language and Korean. Okay, and also Tamil I have selected, Malayalam, Tamil, this language, not Korean. So 4 language I have already reached, and go back and then go to the typing interface, and to shift to the language that you have added, you have to click on this global symbol, so that now Tamil keyboard has come, so you can type in Tamil now. Okay, suppose if you want to go to another language, again you have to click on this global symbol and another language appears here. And then if you again click on it, Malayalam language, another language appear here. So I typed in Malayalam now. So in this way you can easily change to other language. You can add 4 language, and you can use 4 language in the keyboard of your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. You got to use this global symbol to shift to the other language. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.